Now, my dear student, yesterday we did about the real flow and money flow. Then, so my dear student, so I made one diagram also, which you have seen, right? See now. So, right, I made real money flow and real flow in one diagram. Yes, I made a real flow and money flow in diagram in the book. There are given different way, right? Money flow is represented differently, and real flow is represented differently. So I did do, because when the question will come, both the real flow and money flow will be in one part. You have to represent both in one part. Now, the next question I am going to discuss with you is about the circular flow of income in two sector model. Very simple answer is given in the book, right? That is why I highly recommend it. Even you can take photostat from me. You can take my book and get photo macro especially. I want that if you can purchase macro, then it is only one book, macro. My Indian economy we don't read. Sandeep Garg and notes are sufficient, right? But Sandeep Garg and this book is sufficient for macroeconomics, right? See, now the following assumption with regard to a simple economy with two sector model, right? See, very simple, in a very simple way, it is presented, right? See, or I can, you can, you can take a screenshot of this question, because this question used to come in the exam. Explain circular flow of income in two sector model or closed economy, or closed economy. In my notes also, this question you will find it in simple language, right? See, now see, what is this? The following assumption with regard to a simple economy with only two sector of economies activities are: there are only two sector in the economy, that is household and firm. Only house and firm. Household supply factor services to firm. Firm hire factor services from household. Right, see, what is that? Household supply factor services to firm. Now see, what is here? Firm is before, and in my notes you will find household in front. So I am going to the screen sharing, right? Blackboard sharing. I'm going on Blackboard sharing. So now, so I am going on Blackboard sharing. I will explain on the Blackboard. Now see, you can even note down the diagrams when I teaches you. Okay. This is the question. Define circular flow of income in closed economy or two sector model. Is it clear? The blackboard is visible. Blackboard is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
In the meantime, we will do the discussion, and I don't want dumb student, right? I want very active student in the class. Clear? So be careful. This is macroeconomics, not Indian economy. Now, household sector is first here. That doesn't matter whether you write business firm here or household here. So I am in the habit of writing household sector first here, then business firm sector this side. So my dear student, very simple English I will teach you. Factor household, this sector, this is a household sector. It supplies factor services. I'm writing here now, you see. Factor services to business firms, sector, or you can say manufacturing sector, right? Firm, you can also write firm in short, right? See, this sector, household sector, supply business firm their services. In return, no one, my dear student, no one supply anything free of cost. So what household sector gets from the business firm, that is factor payment. This amount. Factor payment means salary, wages. Salary, wages, profit, we can call it profit also, interest, right? Salary, wages, interest, factor payments are in shape of, or I can write here, factor payments. Factor payment is equal to short. Now I am writing short because rent plus wages plus interest plus profit. Right. So business firm pays them this amount, rent, wages, interest, and profit. That is called factor payment. Is that clear? Then, when household receive factor payments, they make expenditure. They make expenditure on the purchase of various goods and services. They make expenditure on the purchase of various goods and services. Various goods and services. Right. So, in the third step, you know, with the help of factor services, with the help of first line, this line, these are factor services. Business firm construct good and supply to household sector. Right? They make goods. And then they supply to, you know, those goods to the household sector. Right? So when they supply goods to the household sector, they did not get any, they did not get any money, or they did get some money. Right? You tell me that free of cost business firm supply them products. Tell me this thing, my dear student. Yes. Tell me, speak. No to speak loudly.
Sir, please repeat again the question.
No.
My question is that, do you think business firm supply these product free of cost?
No, sir.
No.
sir.
No, sir.
That is correct. Everything has its price. Everything has its price. They will charge the price. Then the product you can obtain from the shopkeeper or wholesaler or distributor or retailer. Right? See. So the payments of the goods, payment for goods received by business firm sector. So this process goes on again and again. This process goes on again and again. So it becomes a circular flow. It becomes a circular flow that first factor services are supplied. In return, household sector gets the factor payment. Right? See, household sector gets the factor payment. Then, the goods manufactured by business firm are supplied to household sector. Then, in return, business firm gets the payment for goods. This circle keeps going on. This is called circular flow of income, which has two parts. First part is real flow and second part is money flow. Second part is real flow and second part is first part is real flow, second part is money flow. Real flow is related with the flow of product, right? See, then money flow is related with the payments of factor of payment, right? See, etc. This is your first question. So next we go to the another topic, that is, I am going back to my photos. Now, can you see the photo, picture, image?
सर स्क्रीन तो शेयर करो.
Yeah, I am sharing the screen. What happened? It is not shared. Okay. Can you see this picture? Yes, my dear student.
No sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No
Okay.
sir.
Don't
No,
speak.
sir.
I don't want to see your hatred voice.
Sir, page is not visible at all.
Okay. Now it will be visible. Is it visible now? I think
Yes, sir, it's visible.
it takes a couple of minutes because I am not so much computer savvy, right? So any problem, any question, any doubt in that question, even you can read from the, Sandeep Garg. I don't mind, right? So better you do it from the book. I don't mind, right? Or you can make your own notes, right? See, you may take the help of Arihant. Some students are taking help of Arihant also. Arihant is also good book, right? See, but numerical, from the point of view of numerical and from the point of view of the explanation, I feel that this T.S. Walia is better. Now, next question comes, phases of circular flow. This is second part. The second part, there are three phases of circular flow: production, distribution, and disposition, right? Or you can say expenditure. So I am going on next question. Define phases of circular flow. As you have seen the different phases of moon. Have you seen the different phases of moon? Right? In the same way, my dear student, we have phases of circular flow. Circular flow. Now let us come to the phases of circular flow. Right. First phase is production. First phase is production. What is the meaning of production? Production, you know, it deals with production of goods and services by the producer sector. If we study it in terms of quantity of goods and services produced, it is a real flow, but it is a money flow. Right? See,
सर
if we
पेज ब्लर है
page blur hai beta, so that is what that I cannot help you. Right? See, those who are watch page coming page blur, little zoom it, because this page is very clear in my recording. You can see in my recordings. Right? See, page is very clear. Screen sharing I am doing. Right? See, so this video I will start sending, because macro is more important rather than Indian economy. It's require high level of explanation and skills. Right? See, it deals with production of goods and services by the producer sector. If we study in terms of the quantity of goods and services produced, it is a real flow. Production means real flow, right? But it is a real flow, but it is a money flow if we study in terms of the market value of the goods produced. So both feature there are. First, that is a real flow also. It is a real flow also, as well as it is money flow also. Why? Real flow means business from manufacture goods. So this is a real flow. Then second part is that business firm also supply sorry, business firm also supply goods in the market. That is called as that. Why they supply the goods in the market, right? They supply goods in the market because to earn the money. So it is also money flow. So production, when only goods are produced, so production has both phenomena. What is those? What is those? It is, you know, part of money flow also. It has part of real flow also. So distribution phases, it means the flow of income in the form of rent, interest, profit, and wages paid by producer sector to the household sector. It is a money flow. It is a money flow. I will make this diagram later on. Now, the third part is, I will make very simple diagram, right? Third part is, you know, my dear student, that is called as disposition of income, or we call it disposition. Disposition means expenditure. Expenditure. Expenditure, right? See. Phases of circular flow. So third phase is related with disposition phase. In this phase, my dear student, when the income received by household sector, they make expenditure on the consumption of various goods and services. Now, see, so this is, I am going to minimize this, and now I am going to stop in screen sharing. You can see on the screen and you can make the diagram now. Production, right? Second is distribution, second phase. Third phase is expenditure or disposition. Expenditure or this very simple diagram I made, not complicated. Three parts are there inside phases of circle. First, goods are produced. It consists both money flow, phenomena of money flow and real flow. Then distribution of income through rent, wages, interest, and profit take place. Right, C. Then finally, consumer or you can say household purchases these goods and services, and in return they pay they make the expenditure, and then again production is generated by the business firm. Again distribution of income take place. Then again expenditure is made by household on the good. In this way, this production or phase of circular flow will continue until this word last. Anything? Make diagram. Are you making? Are you making?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Those who have my notes, they can get in from my notes also. They need not to make very clear. But I think they are photocopied. Now they are very old. So you need current copies. So you can go through the book. Now, make fast because I have to go to the next topic also. Right.
Sir,
So,
made.
yes, made. I think all of you have made three lines are there. Now, I am going to again screen sharing. Right, see, photos. By mistake, I closed, you know. I have to pause the meeting, then any question, anything you want to ask? Any question you want to ask? Then there is we find here some important topic for today. That is what, only 6 minutes are there, 10 minutes are there. So I am not able to bring that page. I'm trying to bring that page back. By mistake, I closed it. Now, so these are the three key factors, right? See, so my dear student, there are some basic concepts. Now, we heard about the factor income. I told you what is factor income. About this point, we will discuss factor income. Basic concepts. basic concepts. Now, first, what is factor income? So, factor income, anybody can tell? Anybody can use his mind and tell what is factor income? Don't afraid to say it. It is very simple.
Sir, when firm makes payment to factor of production in the form of rent, wages, interest, and profit.
That is called factor income. So factor income, I told not, that is why I asked. Factor incomes are part of, factor income has 4 parts: rent, wages, interest, and profit. These income received, income earned by factor production, that is correct. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. So these incomes are earned by all the factor of production. All the factor of production, because no factor of production works for free. Do you think they work for free? Yes. My dear student, do you think that they work for free? No, they don't work for
No,
free.
sir.
Yes. So the first concept is factor income, right? When the factor will get income, they will start doing the work. They will start doing the work. So it is two-sided concept. It is two-sided concept. Two-sided, right? Or I can write here. It is two-sided concept. Two-sided concept. Two-sided concept. This is two-sided concept. Right? See, factor income. Right? So hence it is included in national income. Right? It is included in national income. But then next come to the transfer payment. Next topic is transfer payment. You know, my dear student, transfer payment are not included in national income. Second concept, transfer payments. Transfer payments, can you see very clearly now? I have wrote below. So transfer income received without rendering any services to the nation. It is called as transfer payment. Income received without rendering any services to the nation, right? That is called as transfer payment. For example, unemployment allowances, old age pension, widow pension, etc. Right? See, scholarship money. Note down. Remember the example. Scholarship. For example, I can write old age pension. Charity work. Second, widow pension. Third, scholarship. Fourth, my dear student, scholarship, old age pension, widow pension. Fourth is, what is that? Unemployment allowances. Unemployment allowances. Right, see? So many more gifts. Gift received from the government, awards, a payment, awards. So this is the money which is earned by a person without rendering any services to the nation or without doing any productive work. Two definition we can give. So this this amount of money never included in national income. Remember this, we have already started national income. Topic chapter first is going on. Right, see. So it is a unilateral payment. Unilateral payment. It is part of unilateral payment and unilateral payment, or we call it, remember this second name, unilateral payments. Right, purposely I did not use this word unilateral payment. First I want to tell you about the transfer payments. So it includes all kind of gifts, grant, scholarship, old age pension, widow pension, unemployment allowances. Every type of gift, grant from WHO, from UNESCO, from UNO, from any other country, from any institution, right? So this is called unilateral payments or receipt. Unilateral, we call it unilateral receipt. अगर हमारे देश में आ रहे हैं तो we call it receipt, और दूसरे देश में जा रहे हैं तो payments. Payments कब बनेगी? When they will become payments when it is going from our country to other country. When it is going from our country to other country, when it is coming in our country, then it will become, you know, unilateral receipt. So they are also two kind. They are also two kind. Right? Unilateral, I am writing here, unilateral payments or receipt. Unilateral payments or receipt. So it has only one side transaction, right? Without rendering any productive work, we are getting this money, right? So we are not doing anything for the nation. We are not doing producing. So one type of one-sided transaction. It is one-sided transaction. You can note down. You can note down. It is one-sided transaction. Transaction.
टाइम हो गया अभी.
Okay, time ho gaya. I cannot, you know, I have to take the attendance. Don't go. I have to click the photos. Okay.